Mocha. So today we're doing another 5-minute eyes, and I'm going to use the Naked Heat palette. I know I've been promising you that one for a while, and this is the look that whenever I say I've done it with Naked, you can't believe it, because I mostly use the colors here, which are a bit less brown but more almost burgundy, but they're not, if you know what I mean. Never mind. Let's get to work. Okay, so first I'm going to use Chaser in my crease. It's a very light sort of skin color. In my crease and above. Now I'm going to take the one next to it called Sauced, as in something covered in sauce, and I just put that in my crease. As usual, this is my Black Canvas Cosmetics E45. Right under that socket bone, under and on it. Should have used my first shade all over the lid. I'm gonna use the Ounce, which is the first lightest one, all over my lid. I should have done that first. This one I would say is like a satin. It's got a bit of pearl to it, a bit of shimmer. Now I'm going to take Cayenne on the same brush and just deepen the crease right on the end and bring it a bit down. Now I'm going to take EnFuego on Real Techniques shading brush and shade it here. I wouldn't say this shadow is that pigmented. You have to really build this one up. I'm going to go back to Sauced and I will blend out a bit at the top. Morphe M507, and I'm going to go to Sauced again and go under my eye with it, under my eyeball. Now I'm going to go to the Ashes, which is the last one before last, the darkest one. And I'm gonna use my Zoeva 231 and just darken this very edge of my reverse 7. I'm just going to put the mascara on and I'll be back. Okay, so eyes done. I'm just quickly gonna put my lipstick on. Today I'm going to use Estee Lauder Mocha. Filled my lips a bit with it. Now I wanted to use the nude vanilla, but you know I can't find it anywhere. So I thought this is the nude vanilla. I've got this Bare Minerals Moxie lipstick in B3, and I think that it is quite similar, a bit darker but similar. And the Moxie lipsticks are so lovely and creamy and cheaper. And that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me.